Hello students, good morning everyone. So welcome to the maths class. So today we revise our unit number 1. We completed our unit number 1 and we revised some topic in day 18 and 17. Now today we revise our unit number 1, wall unit, right? So see carefully. See every topic I covered in this lecture. So if any doubt, any query regarding each topic, then ask me in the Google Meet, right? So shall we start? Okay. See, first of all we learn about the numbers 1 to 20. So you all know the number 1 to 20, right? So this is your revision. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Also we see the 1 digit number and 2 digit number, right? So 1 to 9 is the 1 digit number and 1, 0, 10 because the number 1, 0 become from 1 and 0, right? So this is the 2 digit numbers. So after 9 the numbers are 2 digit numbers, right? Now also we learn about the number and we have to draw the circles. So see, here are the number 5. So here I draw the 5 circles, right? Then after the number 3, so there I draw the 3 circles. After that number 2. So if in your exam there are some questions that there is the number 2. So where is the 2 circles? You have to select the option of 2 circles, right? Now see another. See, count and write the numbers. So there are some shapes or any images are given. You have to count the things and you have to write the numbers. See, here are the brinjals in first of all. So how many brinjals are there? 1 and 2, right? So see, 1 and 2. So here I write 2. Same way, after that, tomatoes. So how many tomatoes are there? So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here I write 6. Then after carrots. So how many carrots are there? How many? 1, 2 and 3. So here you have to write the 3, right? So in this way in your exam, if any question are coming, if there are some shape or any things are given and you have to count that thing and tick on the right counting number, right? If there are given a 5 stars, so you have to count the stars and you have to tick on the number 5, right? So this is same way pumpkins. So pumpkins are how many? 1 and 2. So here you have to write 2, right? And here are the peas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you have to write 8. So when the question is like that, count and write the numbers, then you have to count the given things or any shape and then after you have to tick on the right number, right? Let's see. See. Then after we learn the number name, right? Number name of 1 to 20, right? You all know till 10, but you make mistake in 12, 13, 18, right? So be careful. You have to remember these numbers, right? So you have to prepare the number name 1 to 20, right? See, here are the some trick to remember the 11 to 20 number. 11 there is no any such idea. So 11 you have to remember ELEVEN, right? We part the letters that ELEVEN, 11. 12, TWELVE, 12. 13, THIR, THIR, see, there is the 13. So, 14 we use TEEN, right? So, THIR, TEEN. Same way 14. First of all, we write the spelling of 4 and then teen. FOURTEEN. Then after 15, not 15, right? 15. Remember this. Some of you are right 15, not 15. It's a 15. FIFTEEN. FIFTEEN. Right? Then 16. Same way. 6 and teen. SIXTEEN. Then 17. 7 and teen. SEVENTEEN. Right? 18. EIGHTEEN. See, here is the 8 and EN, because in 8 there is T. So then after we put EEN. 19. NINETEEN. Now 20. TWENTY. 20. Right? So in this way you have to learn and see. Remember the 13 and 15 spelling. 13 means THIRTEEN, not 13. Right? And 15, 15, not 15. Okay? Remember these, or these are the some mistakes some of you are doing, but be prepared. Right? Now, so this is the number name of 1 to 20 numbers. Then after we learn about the before number and the after number, right? So before and after number. So here I write number 6, 7 and 8. So first of all, the between number is this. Between number is 7, right? Between 7 is the between number of 6 and 8. Now 6 is before 7. So 6 is the before number of 7, right? Before number of 7. And 8 is after number of 7, right? See, 7 is before number of 6 is a before number of 7 and 8 is after number of 7, right? Also we can say that 7 is after number of 6, right? 7 है वो 6 के बाद आता है. So 6 is before number of 7 and 7 is after number of 6, right? 6 है वो 7 से पहले आता है. So 6 is the before number and 7 is the after number of 6. Same way 7 is before number of 8 and 8 is after number of 7. So this is the before, after and between numbers. Now missing numbers. So there are so many blanks and you have to fill the blanks using the 1 to 20 numbers. So see here. Here is the number 1. There are the some apples. See, first of all is the 1, then blank, then blank. So you have to fill the missing numbers, right? So 1. After number of 1 is, which number comes after 1? after 1 is number 2, right? Then after blank and 4. So which number comes before 4? Before means पहले का. 4 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now which number comes after 6? 7, right? Now then after, here is the 7, right? 7, 8. Then after number of 8 is, which number comes after 8? Is the 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If after 10 is blank, so which number comes after 10? There is number 11. So if you know the numbers 1 to 20, then you can easily fill all these blanks, right? So this is the missing numbers. Now place value, right? So you all know the place value of 2-digit number. You all know the 1-digit number and 2-digit numbers. 1-digit numbers are single numbers. These are 1 to 9, and also 0 is the 1-digit number, right? Now the number 10. So number 10, it means 1 10 and 0 ones, right? So here are the examples. 15. 15 is equal to 1 10 and 5 ones, because 15 becomes 10 plus 5. So 1 10 and 5 ones. Now number 20. So 2 tens and 0 ones, right? Now number 1. If there is a single digit number, so there are only ones. There is no tens. So here you have to put a 0 tens. Okay? So 0 tens and 1 ones. Then 1 0, it means 10. So 1 10 and 0 ones. Now you have to remember one thing. Which thing? If there are 1 and 5, right? So 15. So this number is on the right side. So right side number are always ones, right? And this number is on the left side. So left side number is always tens. This is the trick you have to remember. The right side number is ones. It means 5 ones and 1 10, right? If there is given a number 5, see, number 5. So 5 is the 1-digit number, so there is no 10. So you have to put 0. So 0 tens and 5 is ones, right? So 0 tens and 5 ones. So in this way you have to remember the place value. Which number comes on the right side is the ones, and in the left side is the tens, right? Now see, ordering of the numbers, ascending order and descending order, right? So ascending order means we have to arrange the number from smallest to biggest. So here are the smileys: small, big, big and big. So smallest to biggest is the ascending order. Now descending order means we have to arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller, right? Bigger to smaller. It's called descending order. So here are the smileys that are arranged from bigger, smaller, smaller and smaller. So this is called the descending order, right? Now comparison of the numbers greater than, less than and equal to. You all know the numbers, which number is bigger, which number is smaller, and we learn the story of the crocodile, right? Crocodile always open his mouth on the bigger number side, right? There is bigger number, then crocodile open the mouth. See, here this is the crocodiles. First of all is the greater than sign, second one is the less than sign, and this one is the equal to sign, right? Let's see some example. Here is the number 18 and 15. So 18 is the bigger number, right? 18 chocolates ज़्यादा है या 15? Yes, 18. So crocodile eats the 18 number, right? Same way, here is the number 18 and 20, but 20 is bigger number, right? So crocodile eat 20 number. So he open his mouth on the bigger number side. Now here is the number 15 and 15. So both are number same. So crocodile get confused. इस 15 को खाऊं या इस 15 को? Which 15 I want to eat? So he eat both the numbers. So there is the sign of equal to. So this is our unit number 1. If in unit number 1 you have to any doubt, any query regarding this, ask me on the Google Meet please, because after this day your assessment will be come on the day 20, right? So you can easily solve the assessment your. ठीक है? Okay. If any doubt, any query, ask me. Thank you, students.